Greeting Reyes students, I'm Madie Wilson. I hope you've enjoyed and learned from all of our programs we've offered over the last 7 weeks. We are getting ready to enter our last week, week 8, and here is Orlando Ayala to give you more details.
Hello everybody. So yes, we're gonna start the last week of Reyes. We're gonna start with a very exciting talk. The talk will be by Oliver Aguilar, who is the Deputy Director of the Enterprise Transformation Office at the Newport News shipbuilding that we have nearby ODU. Now, this shipbuilding is part of the Huntington Ingalls Industries, a company that has been around for 130 years. It's a very old company. Just to give you a perspective on how important this company is for the Hampton Roads area and the United States, they are the ones that have built the most powerful and complex ships in the world. And they have built over 70% of the US Navy ship fleet. So it's a very important company for the United States as well. So Oliver will tell you more about the company, of course. But another thing he wants to focus on, it'll be in a major transformation they're having in their company, which they're calling it digital transformation. This is a huge change. That digital transformation includes augmented reality, visual work instructions, visual build management, metal 3D printing, 3D models. So anyway, so he'll be telling you a lot more about the company and this digital transformation they're working on in the last few years. It's going to be a very exciting talk.
All right, great. Thanks, Orlando. Hi, everybody. My name is Raul Briseno. So the next talk is going to be by Professor Terry Grant, which is going to be talking about an interdisciplinary research where she's trying to study the structure of proteins using three-dimensional programming. So this is going to be quite fascinating, and so I would encourage everybody to come and join us. So she's part of the math department, which is the math and statistics department. You have seen some activities where they've been present, so I would highly encourage you to come and learn more about this department. Then after that, on Tuesday, we're going to start on our last week of Python for Physics. This has been a really fun course. I hope, at least for you guys, it's been fun for us. And this last week, we taught you how to model infectious diseases, right? Like COVID. So we were able to create these curves that you see that kind of mimic those that we see in the news. And so hopefully you've learned a little bit about gain more insight into what are all these different models that we see in the news that make predictions about the future. This week, we're going to talk, we're going to have a talk introducing quantum mechanics, and then we're going to have a final fun talk prepared for you, which is quite a secret just yet. So you need to come and check it out to see what it is. And then after that, we're going to have a panel that is going to be hosted by my colleague, Giovanna Gennard, who's going to tell you about it.
That's right, Raul. And so at 3 o'clock, we have a panel with undergraduate students who are members of the Honors College at ODU, and they're going to tell us all about their hands-on research experiences while they're at the university. And their goal is really to inspire many of you and also to showcase some of the opportunities that are available once you come to college.
Great. And the next talk is by Professor Alan Mecca, who's going to tell you about what it is.
Hey everyone, obviously my name is Alan Mecca and I get to introduce my own talk here. So join me this Wednesday at 1 o'clock where I'll be talking about how we approach our understanding of the experiences that immigrants have within the United States, but also more broadly as immigrants in other contexts of reception. We're going to be talking about acculturation, the process of adapting to a new cultural climate, and what are some of the stressors that are experienced by children and their parents in the process of immigration.
Great. And the last activity is going to be moderated by Giovanna, who's going to tell us about it.
Thanks, Raul. We're very excited about our final event for Reyes, which is Trivia Night. We'll be hosting our famous alumnus, Andrew Dotson, who also is a famous YouTuber. So you remember for those that attended 4 weeks ago, we're going to have a lot of questions for you to test your knowledge. And we're also going to be inviting many of you to join us for a live audience participation. And so if you are interested in competing in the Reyes Trivia Set, please make sure that you look for the email that we're going to be sending you and complete the survey. And we'll be happy to take a look at that, and we'll be announcing the people that we select to join us live. So Mady, please take it away.
Thank you, Giovanna. Now, don't forget to visit us on our website, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, where we have a bunch of our content from previous recordings. So we look forward to seeing you next week, and thank you, and you guys have a good week. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.